Today we are at The Landing, which is an affordable housing development that Family Support Center just finished building, is almost completely leased up. Family Support Center of South Sound serves families who are experiencing homelessness, who are facing a housing crisis like a pay or vacate, maybe their utilities are about to be turned off. And we also serve survivors of domestic violence, sexual assault, stalking, and human trafficking. We've been serving our community since 1992 and have grown to almost 50 staff agency that's just really working to meet the needs of our community, and those continue to grow. And as those grow, we will continue to do what we can to meet those needs.
We are cutting the ribbon on a brand new 50 kilowatt solar array that was made possible by a PSE solar grant. The funding comes from our 93,000 customers who enrolled in Green Power and Solar Choice in order to reduce their personal carbon footprints, and a portion of their funding goes toward funding these solar grants so that we can put projects all over our community.
What it does is it brings an energy source locally, right? You don't have to build long power lines. The more projects you have within a community, you're creating a localized grid.
Being able to partner with somebody like PSE to be able to hit those goals that aren't necessarily mission driven, but still allow us to serve our community in the way that we value, and that is sustainability, is just really great. So it's not just a solar grant. PSE has really supported us in a lot of small and big ways, and we really appreciate that.